Hey friends, today we are going to color the numbers from 0 to 9 with the colors of the rainbow and add glitter surprise. Let's get started. I color number 0 with red. Now let's color number 1 with orange. Now I color the number 2 with yellow. I use dark green for the number 3. For the number 4, I use light green. I use dark blue for number 5. I use light blue for the number 6. Now I color number 7 with pink. I paint the number 8 with purple. Light purple for the number 9. Now it's glitter time. Let's add glitter to the numbers. We have all the rainbow colors. This is so much fun. Let's get started.